to support him in this tireless effort to create a better world for all. Thank you.
पुरुष के सामने कोई बच्चा अगर इस तरह से निवेदन करता है तो ऐसे युग पुरुष से रहा नहीं जाता है। उन्होंने उस बच्चे को अपने पास लाया और उन्हें गले लगाया।
I dedicated all my life till my death as I try to make little contribution as much as I can to bring more inner peace to enter 7 million people.
Namaste. My name is Tenzin and I'm a Tibetan. Usually I don't make videos in English, but this topic is very important and I want this video to be heard by as many people as possible, so therefore I'm making it in English. So this video is about the viral video clip that has been circulating all over the internet to defame His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. I know I'm a bit late, there are so many videos already, but I never thought that it is important to make everybody understand. I know not everyone will like His Holiness and not everyone will understand the point of view that His Holiness had on that video clip. But now as this video clip is getting very popular and it is defaming His Holiness, I think it is my duty to use this platform to put forward my point of view. So since the video is getting very popular and very viral, there are so many so-called celebrities who are posting this video clip and commenting on it without having proper fact. And I think this is not the right thing to do because they are followed by so many people, millions of people, right? So if they put forward and put that video clip on their stories and comment on that and put a tag like pedophile, molester or anything like that, then I think it is not the right thing to do because they are hurting so many people's sentiment. And for you, he might just be a guru or any other human being, but for so many people, for most of the Buddhist community, he is an emotion for us. He is everything for us. He is like a father figure, grandfather figure. And now as they are getting the whole video and they are knowing the fact what actually happened on that session, now they are apologizing. And on one side it is very good that they are accepting their mistakes and apologizing, but on the first hand they should have restrained themselves by not putting that video clip on their stories or anything like that. And without having proper facts, they should not have posted those such negative comments which might hurt his Holiness followers or anyone. So I think this is wrong, and they are now realizing their mistakes and now they are correcting it. And I thank them for their accepting what they have done wrong and correcting it, and it is also a wise thing to do. Okay, the second thing is that I've seen this session, whole video, and I've never felt awkward. It was never awkward, but the video clip was made in such a way that it will make you awkward, right? So I was searching for that one proof which I can show all of you, which will prove that it was never the intention of His Holiness to really made the child suck his tongue. He was just teasing the child. Okay, let's show this clip. I've slowed it down. Now His Holiness is saying to the child, suck his tongue. It was just a, playful, casual. When he showed it, he went near the child. The child also tried to show his tongue. And when he was nearly to do that, then instantly, put back his tongue and did a little playful tap, light tap on the child, saying that, you fool. I was just teasing. I was just teasing you. So, do you really think that if His Holiness was a molester, he would do that? If he was really something that you all were saying, then he would let the child suck his tongue, right? He would not stop there. And do you really think that if His Holiness was really a molester, he would do it in a public domain? His parents and everyone there, they never had any awkwardness when that session happened. And after that session also, they were being interviewed by the media, and they were very blessed to have such interaction with His Holiness. And it has been 2 months now. All the media and everyone cautioning His Holiness about his morality. Really, all his life he has been walking towards humanity, peace, love, and towards religious harmony. We Tibetans have lost our country to the China in 1959. Since then, His Holiness has been our caretaker and everything for us. Our culture and everything is safe because of His Holiness only. One-sided story can be dangerous, right? We only see things from our point of view. Point of views are always limited. It's never comprehensive. The way I see this room bound to be different from how other people see this, right? And knowledge is a point of view, and the wisdom is viewing point. The ability to see things from many different perspectives is the way, So I really want everyone, please stand with His Holiness and please support His Holiness. Long live His Holiness. And thank you so much. Love you all.